Adaptive Taboo. Adaptive Taboo is an online web game based on the original game Taboo. Adaptive Taboo introduces adaptive nature into the game, that is, the difficulty level of next question would depend upon the player's response to the previous question. This game has been developed with the vision of being a learning tool. This project has been developed as a part of coursework Knowledge Discovery Management under the guidance of Dr. Yugyung Lee and Nitin. This project has been developed by Nikhilesh Katakam, Prashant Sunkari and Ramya Devabhaktani. The following picture shows the architecture diagram of our system. The system makes use of an ontology to generate clues to the user. The administrator maintains and loads the ontology. In addition to this, the system makes use of various services such as the Google Search, Google Maps, Google Talk and YouTube in order to provide different services to the user while he is playing the game. The index page consists of the admin section for the administrators to log in, the users section for the users to log in, and the registration section for the users to register with our system. Once registered with the system, the users can log into the system by their registered username and password. Upon successful login, users would be redirected to the user's homepage where they can start playing the game. Users have to click the start button in order to start the game. The game section consists of a hidden word, a place to answer and a clue section. Upon pressing the next clue in the clue section, the next available clue is displayed to the user, which would help him in answering the question. The system provides various additional features to the users. Upon clicking the search icon, information related to the hidden word is obtained via Google search service and displayed to the user. Users can locate the word by making use of the Google Map service in order to find out the geographic location of the hidden word. The text-to-speech service helps the users by pronouncing the answers to the user. If user wants to view videos about the answer, they can use the YouTube service provided by the system by clicking the YouTube icon. The progress graph tells whether the user's previous answer was correct or wrong. A green color indicates the user's previous answer was correct and a red color indicates user's previous answer was incorrect. If users are unable to answer the question, they can use the Google Talk service as a helpline to communicate with their friends and obtain the answers. The level indicator at the top of the screen shows the current question's difficulty level. Users can end the game by clicking the End Game button. Upon clicking this button, the users would be redirected to the report page, which consists of the total number of questions attempted by the user, number of correct answers and incorrect answers given by the user. The administrators need to log in by selecting the admin section in the index page. Once logged in, they can choose a particular ontology and load the ontology into the game database.